Because today I want to start bringing in concepts from the Freeman ideology that belong to the other pillars. I have spoken a lot on the individual pillar, which deals with potential, experience, and masculinity. And for women, like they apply the feminine side of things. But like, what about the other pillars? You know, the psychology one, the philosophy one, and the mythology one. When we come to philosophy, like Nietzsche was one of the guys who I used to read when I was in Ireland, in Dublin, in 2013. No, I was reading him in 2014 or 15, I think. Very bad time for me to read a guy like him simply because his philosophy is very difficult to digest and it is difficult to understand. And I don't think I've understood it by any means 100%, but I have understood it to a certain degree, especially now that after reading it at a time when it actually further made me fall down into the pit that I was in mentally. It made it even darker, that space. Now I know what exactly was he talking about. And it is the journey of loneliness and suffering, which is a fight that every winner has to fight. And I'm not saying I'm a winner. I don't care about being a winner in the outside world. But I want to be a winner in my own eyes, which is basically that I'm someone who's living life based on my own autonomy, which means that I'm actually making something out of this life, rather than walking on a walking in whichever direction that society leads me into, or parents or peers or whatever you want to think about it as. So today I want to bring one concept out of Nietzsche's philosophies in front of you, which is the Übermensch concept. And Übermensch basically means that Superman or a man above all. And this was Nietzsche's idea of having a man live his life in a way where he sets his own values and he decides which direction to walk towards in his own life. So basically, we are looking at someone who, by his own conscious choice, will choose to become a loner and will choose to sacrifice and go through pain because he knows that is the only life worth living. And that is the only life which is going to be truly his. Like, living in isolation really makes you understand who you are. And doing things in isolation really makes you understand how you respond as an organism to the environment. So I'm not going to use these words because for me, obviously, I have drawn linkages between all the different elements of our ideology, which is like taking some of the psychological stuff to explain the philosophical stuff. Uh, but if I had to just, let's say, shed some light on what Übermensch is really about, I mentioned values and direction. This is something which majority of the people on this planet